Hello everyone, my name is Christopher Carl Corrales from Great Jose Rizal, and this is my performance task in science. So today I will be discussing to you the plate tectonic theory and the three types of boundary. But first, let me show you a picture. This picture is an example of plate tectonic. Plate tectonic theory is a scientific theory describing the large-scale motion of the plates, making up Earth's lithosphere since tectonic processes began on Earth between 3.3 and 3.5 billion years ago. The model builds on the concept of continental drift, and idea developed during the first decades of the 20th century. Did you know that the theory of plate tectonics, like very scientific theory, resulted from centuries of observations and compilation of many scientists' works? It started as a hypothesis and had to be proven with hard evidence before being completely accepted by the scientific community. So now, what are the three types of plate boundary? The first one is the convergent boundary. A convergent boundary occurs when one plate subducts under another or when two plates collide and push each other upwards. The collision of tectonic plates can result in earthquakes, volcanoes, the formation of mountains, and other geologic events. Next is the divergent boundary. A divergent boundary occurs when plates pull apart and magma rises from the mantle to form new lithosphere. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is an example of divergent plate boundaries. And last is the transform boundary. A transform boundary is when plates are slid past each other almost laterally. The grinding action between the plates at a transform boundary result in shallow earthquakes, large lateral displacement of rock, and the broad zone of crustal deformation. And these three are the types of plate boundary, but in case you forgot their definitions, you can easily remember them by using your hands to show the relative motion. For convergent boundary, for divergent boundary, and last is for the transform boundary. Great! You can now describe and demonstrate the different types of plate boundaries.